You asked, how to divide 8,432 by 4 using the long division method. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Bring down 4, making 4. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Bring down 3, making 3. 3 divided by 4 equals 0. 0 times 4 equals 0. 3 minus 0 equals 3. Bring down 2, making 32. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. 8 times 4 equals 32. 32 minus 32 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 2,108.